Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome password manager. In this video, I will show you how to fix weak password you save in your Google password manager in order to protect your online and security account. Let me show you how. So quite a lot number of people are not aware of this. I want to show you how to fix it. So for that, go ahead and make sure you open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on these three dots, then proceed to password and autofill, then proceed to password manager right here. Now you are here. So next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to checkup right here. So having click on checkup, allow the system to run the checkup of every password. Now you are here. Now you'll be given analysis about your password right here. I have about 4 weak password right here. How do you fix this problem of weak password in order to protect your account online? Go ahead and click on it to open up the dialog box. Then you have all the accounts that your password are actually weak. Now for you to fix the password, what you need to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on change password right here. So when we click on change password, it's going to redirect and take you to whereby you need to fix that particular password with issue of a particular account. So once the web page account is loaded up, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you go ahead and proceed to the account section. On getting to the account section, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on my account. Then once it's loaded up, locate whereby you need to change your password right here. So just like what you see right here, I'm going to go ahead and click on change password right here. Then I'm go ahead and enter my new password, confirm my new password. Then I'll go ahead and update the password right here. So you can go on and use this to fix all the account password weak in your Google Chrome password manager. As many as possible account password weak you have right here. It's that simple. So this is one of the best way to fix the password weak on your Google Chrome password manager. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you.